Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology Parth Goyal, only way. Start by mapping the syllabus and prioritizing high-yield topics, then create a daily review plan with short focus sessions. Use active recall, flashcards, and practice questions to strengthen memory. Draw labeled diagrams and teach concepts aloud to reveal gaps. Schedule weekly mixed reviews and adjust based on progress, keeping study sessions varied and engaging for steady improvement. Adopt simple, science-backed techniques that make study time efficient and less stressful. Start each session with a quick review of prior material, then tackle one focused concept with active recall and a diagram. Alternate between reading, writing, and self-testing to engage different memory pathways. Keep sessions short and intentional, and reward consistency rather than perfection to build momentum and long-term mastery without burning out. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about planning for future goals and saving for study resources, and it pairs humorously with budgeting your study time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice under realistic conditions to convert knowledge into reliable performance. Use timed quizzes and past papers to simulate exam pressure, then analyze mistakes and note patterns. Create a correction log and revisit those items more frequently until they stick. Mix new material with review sessions to prevent forgetting, and progressively increase challenge to build confidence, speed, and accuracy across the full scope of the syllabus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.